Welcome to Block 7. In today's video, we'll be exploring a unique home restoration project located in Norden, Germany. Known as the Farmworker's house, this 100-square-meter residence was redesigned by Nidus, a talented architectural team led by and Len Schmidt-Wallenbroich and Anna Wallenbroich, with Paula Averbeck as part of the design team. This brick house was originally built in the 1960s as a farmworker's residence. Designed with simplicity and functionality, it followed a standardized post-war housing plan to address Germany's mass housing needs at the time. Local materials like red bricks and traditional craftsmanship were used, shaping the cultural landscape of northern Germany during this era. Its design was practical, reflecting the hardworking lifestyle of farm workers. When rediscovered in 2020, much of the house's original charm had been lost due to modern renovations. Plastic roof extensions, painted windows, and modern shutters had altered its modest appearance, overshadowing the historical and local craftsmanship that defined its original character. The restoration project aimed to create a serene weekend retreat. The primary focus was to preserve the house's simple exterior while emphasizing the subtle beauty of local craftsmanship. Collaborating with local artisans, the architects restored the home to its original, unpretentious state, paying meticulous attention to every detail. A prime example is the roof design, which was carefully repaired to revive the traditional structural elements without introducing unnecessary features. Each aspect of the facade was thoughtfully restored to ensure harmony between the building and its surroundings. Today, Farmworker's house blends seamlessly into the surrounding fields, meadows, and the nearby dike of the Wadden Sea National Park. Its presence exudes a sense of belonging, as if it has been a natural part of the landscape for decades. The interior of the house mirrors the minimalist aesthetic of its exterior. Materials such as oiled pine would create a warm and calming natural texture. Whitewashed plaster was applied to the walls, giving the spaces a bright and open feel. Vintage furniture pieces from the 1960s and 1970s were carefully curated to complement the overall aesthetic, adding a touch of nostalgic elegance. One notable feature is a small wall cabinet designed specifically for this project. This cabinet, inspired by the house itself, serves as a little treasure chest that encapsulates the essence of the home. Thoughtful details like this reflect the architect's dedication to honoring the house's historical heritage while meeting modern needs. Every corner of the house was designed to maximize comfort while staying true to its original character. The use of environmentally friendly, low-maintenance materials not only enhances the natural ambience but also promotes sustainability. Farmworker's house is a remarkable example of how an old home can be restored without losing its original identity. With a respectful approach to its history and environment, the house has been transformed into a cozy retreat while preserving its significance as a cultural representation of 1960s German architecture. This project reminds us of the importance of preserving local values in modern architecture. Thank you for joining us in this review. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Block 7 for more home design inspirations. See you in the next video.